Welcome to Wordplay Jolly Phonics Sounding, Blending, and Reading Review. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's review the sound app, app, rap, 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 ip, ip, rip, 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 ran, 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 est, est, rest, 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 ack, ack, rack, 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 app, app, rap, 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 ip, ip, rip, 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 ran, 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 est, est, rest, 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 ack, ack, rack, 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 rack. Thank you for watching and following along.